Hi, so I'm making a tiramisu, and so what I've done so far is I have separated 6 eggs. So this is the egg whites and the egg yolks of 6 eggs. And I brewed some, not brewed, this is espresso, but in Italy it's just normal coffee. So in Italy, this is 12 espressos. 12 espresso shots are in there. 12 espresso shots and 6 eggs separated. That's what I've done so far. Okay, I'm adding 200 grams of sugar to the 6 egg yolks, and I'm gonna whisk that together. So just gotta whisk the egg yolks and the sugar together. Now I'm gonna add about half a glass of rum. This is just the egg and the sugar. I have to add a little bit more rum, and I'm gonna whisk. Okay, now I'm gonna add in 500 grams or milliliters of mascarpone into the egg and the sugar and rum, and whisk. And that's what it looks like after. Enrico's whipping the eggs, and you're supposed to do it until soft peaks form. Okay, this is Savoiardi, these little cookie things, and this is the coffee that I prepared. I'm going to dip the Savoiardi in the coffee, and I'm going to put it in this container. So I'm going to start. So this is what Savoiardi cookies look like. Just have to do that. And I'm going to... Enrico finished whipping the egg whites, and we have the yolk there. Look, how beautiful is that? Really nice. Okay, so Enrico's putting the egg whites in with the mascarpone and egg yolk mixture. And he's going to fold that in together. And I'm going to keep working on these Savoiardi things. I've got to just keep doing that. Wow, 2 hands are better than 1, right?
Now slowly.
And I did that.
Okay. Ready.
Ready. So I have to keep... So now we can put this in there, no?
Mm.
Enrico sprinkling over some cocoa powder. Okay, so now you have to put it in the fridge for a minimum of 2 hours, and then you can eat it. Uh-oh, let's see how it is.
It would be beautiful, it would be. Maybe you just have to let it rest a little.
A little more. Then it will be better. Yeah. You can tell that we're not professionals. Is it good? It should stay in the fridge longer than 2 hours, maybe. Because we actually put a lot of cream, too, this time.
It's very good.
It's very good. Yay, we did. Okay, we should leave it in the fridge longer. But anyways.